My name is Atul Kasbekar, and today I'm going to teach you the nuances of something really simple, and it's all about how to use a camera lens and yourself to make somebody look taller, as tall or shorter than they actually are. It's pretty simple once you understand the very straightforward physics of the angles. So here's the problem. Most of the time people tend to use wide angle zooms on their little snappy cameras or on their DSLRs. As a result, you tend not to bend and shoot from the most comfortable perspective that you have, which is your normal height. If I'm shooting somebody and I tend to aim that lens downwards, most people I shoot will be shorter than they actually are. But if I bend lower and I come to approximately the center of the subject, then what happens is they look as tall as they actually are. If I come lower than center, as in knee length, and I shoot upwards, the people will look taller. It's really that simple, but it means that you need to move your body and get into a slightly uncomfortable position sometimes, and that's when you get your best angles. So if you notice, when people are being shot like in politics or in a movie poster, chances are that the camera will be slightly below and they look up at the subject. That gives them a more of a heroic and a larger than life kind of picture. Okay, simple tricks that you can use effectively yourself to make little differences to your pictures. I'm going to introduce a good friend of mine, Komal.
Hi.
Hello Komal, how are you doing?
Good.
So she's been brave enough to come in and face me today in the Casby show. Thank you so much for coming. And I'm going to demonstrate really quick with her standing here, 3 different angles and how different it can look. Okay, so Komal, if you're ready, I'm going to take 3 shots of you. One from up there, one from about the center of your body, and one around your kneecap. Got it? Yeah? Okay. So in the 3 frames I've shot of Komal, you can see a dramatic difference in what happens to the picture when the camera angle changes. Like I said, most of the time we end up using wide angle lenses, and if I shoot from above the subject, she looks almost like a caricature. It's almost some kind of cartoon figure almost. And if I stop down to somewhere to the center of her body, she looks normal. And I've suddenly made her look taller when I got down to approximately her knees. Normal is boring. So if I'm standing here and I'm seeing the world through this perspective, if I see it from my camera, it's not very much different. So it makes sense for you to crawl down, climb up, do something unusual so that your angle and your perspective changes your point of view. When you change your point of view, it becomes different, it becomes unusual, and that could possibly make the difference between a snap and a great image.